Remember to join us tonight at 8 p.m. for Sunday Night Lime right after the Bartender uploads on Expressions JA YouTube channel.
Rat poison? For the what?
She want poison him.
So how she da go do that? And how she da go explain that one day?
And the same thing me I said to her. Him with a poison. And know that happened to she. So I straight prison that.
But not only that, she think that would I get her back her business?
She just impatient. So me have to talk to her and tell her say, "Love me make me do what me for do."
Boy, Toniann, we have to understand fair position. Knowing the fact where him a do to her, it's hard for she play romantic with him.
Me know Bubbles, but me did want her. And Shepherd did want her. So she have to go take one for the team.
I can't imagine how she feel. Especially when him come close to her. Her skin must be a crawler. Oh.
Me don't like take bad things and laugh, you know. But the truth is, it's funny to me.
I wonder how them look when them a walk out the pool. Like if them hold hand in hand and she turn around and I smile up to him. I throw Toniann, we have to take bad things, make laugh.
I ask her to send me some pictures and videos, but I know she gonna tell me say, don't make me rude to you.
So I'm gonna ask you something. You work out this thing with what you gonna do with him and her?
Well, I can't tell you say. But hacking her system, I'm say female for the document as the major shareholder.
The thing now is forget the original copy.
I have an idea when I work out. But I don't want to say nothing yet until I get the document. The original document.
Well, you are the lead for that one, yeah. So, as soon as you come up with your ideas, you just make us know. Because we're there for back you up.
Look like me I forgot to kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
What do you mean by that?
This busy brother wants 60% of Agatha Nisi business.
Agatha Nisi. I know the name there, no?
At one point, she'd have worked with Tony.
Yes. Yeah, man. She da manage him funeral business. Hear me now. Leave that alone. Focus on Bull and your mother.
Boss is a syndicate of them. We have to take down the whole of them.
You're right, you know. You get any other information about anybody else in the syndicate?
2 other youth, but them deceased.
It look like they might clear up them loose ends.
The next interesting thing I find out is that the 2 of them are send money to an account with a name Morgan on it.
Morgan. Remember say Bull used to work for Radcliffe, you know? Maybe him still have to fund him activities from prison.
Not Radcliffe. Raphael Morgan.
That sound like him son.
And him look old enough to take over the family business. Now that him father not about.
You know now say you have to approach this with a whole heap of caution.
That's why I tell you to make a think about it before we make the move. Come on, make it flawless.
And remember, you're under a microscope. Because Mr. Mullings never happy. So we take on this and not say nothing to him.
I realize I want to thank you for allowing me to be the lead on this and support me with the ideas that we'll come up with.
Tisa circle. Somebody took a chance on me. Me took a chance on Whisper. We took a chance on you. But just remember this. You can't make the same mistake twice. There's no room in the agency for that.
Believe me, the more I'm there, the more I realize that.
One of the reasons why we allow you to express yourself is because we see your growth. And we want to support you and encourage you all the way. Hey, brother there.
Hello, from someone.
How are you so strong? This look like you go broke the door.
You look exaggerated. Put your son there. The food already here.
Yeah. No.
That's it. They have to first round now.
Hello. What's no cooking yet?
First round.
Yeah. Here saw the first round. And then we go on for the second round.
What are you, Bright? Me na cook in my yard, you know? So me have to get 2 plates of food.
Are you bright now?
But Bubbles, me grate the carrot. I'ma wash the pop chow. What him do?
One plate of food for you, half plate for you.
You should have there for help.
Boss, you just put my half in this, yeah?
You think you're smart? You're going for big plate. Half of that is a regular plate.
And if you not come out of my kitchen in a 5 seconds, nobody now get no food.
Me out already, she not forget no.